Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing extremely well. So today we are discussing internet. So let's we start. Internet. Internet is composed of hundreds of thousands of interconnected networks. A network is group of connected communicating device such as computers and printers. Next is history of internet. So 1960, the Advanced Research Projects Agency means ARPA in development of defense means DOD was interested in finding a way to connect computers together so that the research they founded could share their findings. There was sorry thereby reading costs and eliminating uh, duplication of effect. Next is 1969. Four nodes at the University of California at LOS means Los Angeles means UCLA. The University of California at Santa Barbara UCSB. Stanford Research Institute means SRI and University of Utah were connected. So next is 1972, birth of the internet. Win Curve and Bob Kahm, both of whom were part of the core ARPANET group, collaborated on what they called the sorry interneting project. They wanted to link different network that a host on one network could communicate with a host on a second different network. They developed gateway to connect different network. They developed TCP means transmission control protocol, which spelled into TCP and IP, and then called TCP or IP. Next is 1981 CSNet. Another milestone in internet history was the creation of CSNet in 1981. CSNet was a network sponsored by the National Science Foundation means NSF. The network was conceived by universities that were eligible to join ARPANET due to an absence of defense tie to DARPA. Next, 1983 ARPANET spelled into two networks: MILNet for military users and ARPANet for non-payment military users. Next is 1986 NSFNet. With the success of CSNet, the NSF sponsored NSFNet. It is a backbone uh, that that connected five supercomputer centers located throughout the United States with speed of 1.544 Mbps. Next, 1890 ARPANet retired. ARPANet was officially retired and replaced by NSFNet. So this is the main sentence, the main point. Sorry, my mistake. Not 1890, 1990. Next is 1991 ANSNet. US government decided that NSFNet was not capable of supporting the rapidly increasing internet traffic. Three companies, IBM, Merit, and MCI, fills the void by forming a new high-speed internet backbone called ANSNet, means Advanced Network and Service Net. Next is the internet today. It is made up of many wild and local area networks joined by connecting device and switching stations. Today, most end users who want internet connection use the service of internet service providers, means ISPs. Next, internet. It was a worldwide or global system of interconnected computer networks. It used the standard internet protocol, means TCP or IP. Every computer in internet is identified by a unique IP address. IP address Next is IP address is unique set of numbers which identifies a computer location. So this is the set of numbers. A, a special computer DNS is used to provide a name to the IP address so that the user can locate a computer by a name. For example, a DNS service will resolve a name https://allexampapers.com to a particular IP address to uniquely identify the computer on which this website is hosted. Next is internet is accessible to every user all over the world. So next is intranet. Next is intranet, not internet. So this is the intranet. Intranet is the system in which multiple PCs are connected to each other. PC in intranet are not available to the world outside the intranet. Usually, each organization has its own intranet network and members or employees' computer in their intranet. Next is each computer in intranet is also identified by a IP address which is unique among the computers in that intranet. So next is different. What is the intranet and internet? Different between intranet and internet. So the first difference is internet is general to PCs all over the world, where in intranet is specific to few PCs. So this is the important point. Next is internet provide a wider wider and better access to websites to a large population, whereas intranet is restricted. Next is internet is not a safely privatized as per the need. Next is internet service providers means ISP. Internet service provider means ISP is company offering access to internet. They offer various services. Next is internet access domain name domain name registration, dial up access, lease line access. Next is types of ISP. So first is access provider. They provide access to internet through telephone, telephone line, cable, Wi-Fi or fiber options. Next is mailbox providers. Such providers offer mailbox hosting service. Next is hosting ISPs. So hosting ISPs of, offers email and other web hosting service such as virtual machines, clouds, etc. Fourth is virtual ISPs. Such as such ISPs offers internet access V other ISP services. Next is free ISPs. Free ISPs do not charge for internet services. So this is the types of ISP. Next is types of connection. So first is dial-up connection, integrated um, service digital network. Next is digital subscribe line, cable TV internet connections, satellite internet connections, wireless internet connections. So first is dial-up connection. Dial-up connection use telephone line to connect PCs to the internet. It requires a modem to set up dial-up connection. This modem works as an interface between PC and the telephone line. So that is this is a dial-up connection. Next is ISDN. ISDN is acronym of Integrated Services Digital Network. It established the connection using the phone line which carrying digital signals instead of analog signals. Signals. Next is DSL. DSL is acronym of Digital Subscribe Line. It is a form of broadband connection as it provides connection over ordinary telephone lines. Next is cable TV internet connection. Cable TV internet connection is provided through cable TV lines. It uses coaxial cable which is capable of transferring data at much higher speed than common telephone line. So the next is satellite internet connection. Satellite internet connection offers high speed connection to the internet. There are two types of satellite internet connections. One-way connection and two-way connection. This is the two types of satellite internet connection. Next is wireless internet connection. Makes us of radio frequency bands to connect to the internet and offers a very high speed. The wireless internet connection can be obtained by either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Next is a Vista, means very small aperture terminals. So this is a Vista. Next is URL. Very document on the web has a unique address. This address is known as Uniform Resource Locator, means URL. Several HTML or XHTML tags include a URL attribute value, including hyperlinks, inline images, and forms. All of them use the same syntax to specify the location of a web resource. Regard, regardless of the types or content of that resource. That's why it is known a uniform resource locator, means URL. Uniform resource locator. Next is a URL is made of several parts, each of which offers information to the web browsers to help find the page. Next is web portal. A web portal is a specifically designed website that often serves as the single point of access for information. Next is applications of internet. Communication, job searches, finding books and study material, healthy and medicine, travel, entertainment, shopping, stock market updates, research. Next is business. For that's it for this video, guys. Please subscribe my channel, share, like, and please comment. So see you in next video.